In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on another day in the life in our homeschool, but it's going to be a little bit more cinematic and with less talking than you're used to. Every so often, I like to make these videos to share with you how peaceful and beautiful homeschooling can be. Now, don't get it twisted, because we did have a rough morning today and we've had moments throughout the day, but this video is not to focus on the negatives. It's to show the positive parts of our homeschooling and how we just can implement a laid back, relaxing type of atmosphere while we're homeschooling. So that's that. So here's the video.
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love?
Jesus never saw the promised land.
What if your
Died shortly after
sweetness
this
could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
You scared her away. Here, popcorn.
Just when the light had become very dim, indeed, a large building appeared in the distance, and as Christian hurried along,
Days without water along the sun so
when he had passed the woods, little Christian clapped his hands for joy and ran quickly toward the kind doorkeeper who stood
we
at the gate.
crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Okay, we are wrapping up our homeschool day, and we're probably going to go skating later. We have a skate trip coming up, and the kids are going to practice skating on their new skates and just do all the normal after school things, cleaning up, dinner, my business stuff, whatever I have time to do. And then we have to get ready for church tonight. They have a youth group tonight, and I have a small group. And that is the plan. My older daughter and my husband should be walking through the door soon from school. And I'm tired today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.